Can you imagine being snatched off the streets and thrust into the throes of a military conflict you want no part in? This is not a dystopian novel. This is the grim reality for many in Ukraine today, a reality that's as chilling as it's unlawful. In the midst of the turbulence, an unthinkable situation is escalating. Innocent civilians are being forced into conscription, dragged into a conflict that is not their own. A conflict with Russia. The stakes are high and the situation is dire. Reports suggest that up to 80% of employees of Russia's largest airline, Aeroflot, could be ordered to the front lines. Not just men of fighting age, but medical staff, airline workers, everyday people. This is not just a violation of personal freedom. It's a violation of international humanitarian law. And there's more. As the conflict intensifies, borders are closing, trapping those who wish to flee. Border guards, politicians, government officials, all playing a part in this tragic game. The cost? Human lives. International humanitarian law, the guardian of human dignity amidst the chaos of conflict, is unambiguous. The forced recruitment of civilians into the military is a clear violation of Geneva Conventions. The closure of borders, denying people the right to leave, infringes upon the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. So, what does this mean? It means that those responsible for these atrocities will be held accountable. The border guards who turned away desperate people, the government officials who allowed civilians to be taken from the streets, the politicians who used fear as a weapon, they will all face the law. The wheels of justice may turn slowly, but they do turn. In summary, the situation in Ukraine is a stark reminder of the depths to which humanity can sink in times of conflict. The forced conscription of civilians, the closure of borders, the use of fear for political gain. These are all egregious violations of international law. But remember this, those who commit these acts will be held accountable. Justice, though sometimes slow, is inevitable. As we navigate these turbulent times, we must hold on to the belief that dignity, justice, and the rule of law will ultimately prevail.